So this weekend I ended up meeting up with my cousin Aaron in Port Angeles. He turns out to be really awesome too, and we started hiking up this place called Hurricane Ridge in the Olympic Wilderness. And this is Aaron. Say hi, Aaron.
Hello. Hi there, people.
Yeah, so we're trying to find a nice little spot right now to go chill and have a little smoke session. Holy crap, look at this view. Wow. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at the rock formations up there. This place actually looks like an incredible spot to launch a glider from, and actually see some thermals coming up above the trees right now, and it would be way too much fun. What a beautiful place. So Aaron and I over here have some incredibly similar passions, and we think incredibly alike, and it's fascinating because we didn't really hang out at all for a big portion of our lives, because both our dads are or at least can be kind of egocentric assholes in a sense, and they kind of had this weird brawl over the past however many years over, and haven't really gotten along too well, and so we haven't really hung out until later on in our lives. And it's fascinating because we kind of both went down a very similar path, and think very similar now. So here in about a few weeks or so, I think we might go wander off into the mountains of the Olympics up over there and go maybe do a spiritual odyssey. It'll be great. It'll be a lot of fun, right, Aaron?
Yeah, definitely.
It's gonna be a good time. Oh, look at the mountain goats down there. 3 of them.
Oh shit, yeah.
There are 3 mountain goats right down there. There's Port Angeles down there. Beautiful Hurricane Ridge all along there, and the Olympics are up over there. So my uncle and Aaron's dad just so happened to be down there. He's hiking up here and meeting up with us. Hey there! Come on up. You, Uncle Mike made it. Thumbs up, Uncle Mike. See all the goats down there. Yeah, let's see. I'll be sure to film just in case that goat comes after us, because
okay, good.
That'd actually be pretty comical, worthy of posting on the internet. Hi there. Hi, Mr. Goats. Look at you. Good goats. Oh, the alpha's standing right in the trail.
Probably go back up and come down and get away if I get to. Well,
hey there, buddy.
I'm just gonna keep my distance.
Yeah, that's the one you gotta watch out for over there.
Yeah.
Hey there, goats. Sure they're used enough to humans.
Probably.
The baby ones just come after us and maul us to death. It's the baby ones gotta watch out for. They're unexpecting.
Yeah.
Like that one right there. That one looks sketchy.
Yeah, its little horns are about to pop out.
Yeah. Scoot out of the way. Yeah, they got sketchy eyes.
Yeah, they do. They remind me of that charming. Navigating, but either way is fine.
Good goats. So Aaron and I have decided to take a shortcut in order to avoid the alpha goat. Nice. Look at you dusting away. Well, we took a very dusty and dirty shortcut to avoid the Mr. Alpha Goat, who is somewhere back there and looks really sketchy, and I don't want to mess with him. So the goats just cut in front of us for like a third time, and they keep getting further ahead of us on the trail. Keep having to sneak past them. They're right down there. Hi there, goats. When you turn it, it turns like that. So like it like flows with the motion of whatever you do.
Oh, that is so smooth.
So now try turning it around at yourself. Feel that motion.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's
Kind of
way smooth.
Camera.
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Love it.
Oh yeah.
You know, that's a beautiful sight right there.
That's why I always like photography too. Totally.
So we made it back, you know, avoided conflict with any potential goat attack, and we're all still alive, so that's always great. Thumbs up for that. Yeah. Byron!
Goes from 0 sea level to 5,400 feet.
Like when a bubble
What a stunning play.
Hello!
What's up?
What's up, bro? It's the Declan and the Chase.
Mark just gave us a ride down on his golf cart.
No way.
We met a guy called Mark.
And Declan just got a wing. No
I got
way.
a wing, yeah. And the
This
new
thing's
harness.
actually not too big.
300 grams
This
of
is the new harness I've been
life-saving
wanting.
this.
Is this
Yeah.
the string, right?
It's the string.
Oh,
yeah.
that's gorgeous.
It's pretty sick.
How beautiful.
We'll have to get it out and have a look at all this stuff in a bit.
Yes,
And go
yes.
for a bit of a
We're
swim.
gonna do that. All right, so this is how you properly smoke weed. You get one of these Wake and Bake coffee mugs. You take an IPA 10 barrel. You pour that bitch in there nicely like so. Without foaming. Oh! All right, now come outside with me. Let's grab that weed. Katie, grab your lighter. We're gonna do this right.
Do you want lighters or matches?
You know, either will do. Should we smoke it up here or up top?
I reckon up top.
You reckon up top? Let's do it.
Yeah, we're definitely going up top.
Woo. Whoa! Max, you want some beer? Max!
Max! Oh, it's hot! Max!
3 people can make this work.
That was a team effort, guys. Good job. Good job. Woo! High fives all around. Oh, now I gotta take a beer. What a fucking sip.
Smells like it.
This weed's God's gift. This is the original tree of life.
Man, these guys
There
are getting
you go.
really bored. They're like sacrificing each
Yeah,
other.
Yeah,
I gotta give them something to relax.
yeah, exactly.
First
God's
man to
gift.
find this.
Yeah, seriously.
You just started feeling so
Yeah,
good.
it's like, you know, that's pretty great.
How do I hold this?
That's-
Is that the shotty or is?
So that's the carb, and then that's where you breathe out of the handle. Man's got it all by himself.
As a Jesus would.
Now you gotta take a sip of the beer. Drink from the cup of life.
For love and for high-minded bliss.
What a beautiful
I
quote.
had no idea what word you wrote.
Houseboat stuff.
Oh God!
He's like, I'm done. He's like, I'll be nice now. Max literally almost bit Katie's face off now. Let's just look at her foot. He's like, you taste pretty good. Oh, Billy, what a beautiful day. Right, Declan? Mm-hmm. Beautiful. All right, I'll take some of that. Wow. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, Chase, that's yours.
Thank you.
Next.
Why, thank you, dear sir.
You're welcome, dear sir.
Mr. Takituki over here.
That's yours, and then one more. Perfect. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers, brothers and sisters.
Go for it. Ah. How's the water feel?
It's wonderful.
Oh, that's beautiful. It looks gorgeous.
Hello.
Later.
That was a gorgeous hair flip. Yay, my turn next. Whoosh. So they're gonna race back to the boat, and I'm gonna be the official judge, just to see who's the fastest swimmer here. So it's gonna be interesting, and I'm gonna try to clean this off, because oh my gosh. Oh, looks like Katie's falling behind. Declan's falling behind. Chase is in front. He's in lead. He's got this. Chase is winning by a long shot. Woo! Fist bump. Woo! You guys fucking suck. I couldn't breathe. Fuck you guys.
My hair was in my mouth.
How does it feel to be a loser?
It feels
Fuck you.
really refreshing.
I'm so happy you got that on camera.
It's refreshing to lose for once.
And here's a video of Maxwell doing some weird shit.
What's up? A line probably like 20 or 30 meters away.
Yeah.
And then we like chilled out and we're looking at the sky. And I was just talking to my sister.
Look at that focus and concentration.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh my god.
You're on it backwards.
This is definitely not okay.
That was a fucking sit. Your ass cheeks made contact with that.
Alright. Yeah,
There you
I
go.
can do this. This is nice.
Yeah. Yeah, just, you know, you kind of... Goodbye, Declan. There goes Declan off into the sunset, just
Señorita, amigo.
cruising away. What do you think, Max? That crazy?
Declan, come pick Maxie up.
Look at him fucking go. Oh my god, you should join the paddle team.
Declan, you gotta stand up.
Feels fantastic.
Nice, it looks beautiful. And then there's Chase and Max, just lovers forever. Oh, he's standing up, look at him go. Wow, there's an eagle soaring right above you. Oh!
Whoa!
cooking up something good. Pristine.
Oh, that was a hell of a hit. Weed, man, it gets you every time. Yeah! Woo! What a scream! What a scream!
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa!
Take that, paraglider.
What a day! What a day! We did some stuff and some things and went places and whatnot, and yeah.